Hi, my name is Brian. I've lived in Saddle Brook for 34 years. So when I took over possession of the home when my parents retired, I was left with a number of maintenance items to take care of, several of them, but one of the main ones was being my roof was starting to age as we replaced it roughly 34 years ago. I just knew the shingles were way overdue and I was starting to see a few missing pieces. I had lots of moss problems in the back, so the shingles were definitely due to be replaced, and I was kind of postponing it for a couple of years. I have had several different companies come to my door over the years. Usually what I would do is, research them a little bit afterwards and see if I wanted to go with them. I was lucky to come upon a gentleman from Future Remodeling who came to my door and advertised their services. Once again, I did research them and I like what I saw with the company, the reviews. I like the products they use on their roofs, so I decided they would be the company I'd like to go with. What I liked the most about the process was it was very detailed. Everything was explained to me. Of course, I had many different questions. I was always very nervous about dealing with contractors, and he did make me feel at ease, and every detail of the process was explained thoroughly. Well, I do like how the roof turned out. It looks very nice, and it does give me a lot of peace of mind knowing that I won't have any leaks in the near future. I'm happy to have a warranty, which is also another good peace of mind. I'm extremely happy with the service. If any friends or family in the neighborhood ever did recommend a contractor, I would definitely point them in the direction of Future Remodeling, as I know they'll definitely get a good result in the end.